Hello guys, my name is Otabek and I'm the main videographer at HayotFilms production. Today I want to talk about the camera Canon M6 Mark II in comparing the lens, the kit lens Canon 1545 and Canon 35mm F2.0 IS. So I'm comparing this only for video, so I will be comparing Full HD and 4K quality, the sharpness of the video. So let's get started. So from here I can say this difference is not that big difference from here without zooming, but a little bit the kit lens is softer, I think. You can see here. Let's zoom in. And now you can clearly see the corners of the lens in Full HD. It's a kit lens, it's really bad, it's not sharp, and the contrast is not that great. The lines, if you can see here, it's really bad comparing to Canon 35mm. So let's go to the center. If we go to the center, it's a little bit better, I can say, than in the corners, but the same. It's a bad contrast here, and the sharpness, it's not great. Let's go now to the 4K. If we zoom in to the center, this is the same problem as in Full HD. So the contrast is not that great. If you can see the difference and the sharpness, it's really bad. If we go to the corners, I think it's worse than in the center. So it's the lines, if you can see here, it's not that great. So the numbers, it's kind of, you can read it, but the sharpness and the contrast, it's not great comparing to Canon 35mm. If you bought the M6 Mark II with the kit lens, I would really recommend to buy something else if you're using for the photos or the videos. I think the quality of the sharpness and contrast of the lens, of the kit lens, it's not that great. So if you will be using the fixed lens 35 or 50mm, which is not that expensive, it will give you great results. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, because it's more videos coming soon. I will be comparing the Canon C200 with Canon EOS R and M6 Mark II, and thank you for watching.